We're going to be chasing chickens today. Oh yeah, let's do this.
Hit the wood button.
Yeah, I did. It's recording.
Ryan, face us.
Go, go.
See this? See this? See this? I got her. Billy, I caught one. Got it. Alright, face Billy now.
Chicken.
Okay.
That's not fair.
I know where it is.
Fair, man. Ryan, go back.
Okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna re-catch this chicken. This chicken's easy, dude.
Oh no, dude. You'll find it.
2 to 1. Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna get the chicken again. No, we're not letting it loose though. Oh, did you see the action? See the action, honey? Whoa. Alright. Alright, let me see. Shine it at Billy. Alright, this is Billy trying to catch chicken now.
What happened?
Woo, he got him. He got her.
It's about time.
He caught the chicken now. You know, it's only 3 to 1, you know. You know. There's a chicken house, man.
And of course it gets stuck in the weeds.
Stop it. Stop. Alright, it's paused. Face is right, not here, okay? Push the red button.
I did.
You push the red button?
Alright, let's go. Okay, well, I'm gonna go get my chicken now.
I got this one. I got this one.
Oh, yeah. Same time. See that? See that? See that?
Don't let it poke Billy's phone. This is new.
Put it back down.
Okay, we're gonna do this again.
One more time.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait. Alright, stop it.
Alright, stop it.